Please, can somebody tell me why the Catholic Church, I don't know if it's only in Umoji, through the neighbours, the other one is billing my mom see and all the other women, which is a force, now by force. 3 cups of rice each, 3 cups of beans each, 3 cups of gari each, 1 cup of egusi, apple, and a bunch of other stuff. Guess for who? They are children where they carry go lock up for seminary. They brainwash you people, make who is even tending the kind apple that they want you, who is tending all these things that they want these impoverished mothers to go and bring these things for and send to seminaries. This church has to go. Church is terrible, horrible. You know, this year use those words decently. Church has to go. And yes, now by force, the women where they talk say ne follow alufana. These were the words of one old woman. Nena alufana. Imagine what a mess. So disgusting. I spit on church. Kankife ajife. Ajife biaibu.